Students, good morning. Now let us go for next problem in statics. See what they have. First next problem you see, if A, B, C is a triangle forces of magnitude P, Q, R acting along the line OA, OB, OC respectively or in equilibrium where O is the orthocenter. Show that P by A is equal to Q by B is equal to R by C. See what they have given. ABC is a triangle of forces with magnitude PQR acting along the line where OA, OB, OC. O is the orthocenter. What we have to prove? P by A is equal to Q by B is equal to R by C. We have to prove. So let us see the proof. You see the diagram. You can understand. See, you see the proof. Let O be the orthocenter of triangle ABC. Given what forces are in equilibrium. So by Lamis theorem, you know, as usual, P by sine BOC. You see in diagram, angle BOC is equal to Q by sine of angle COA is equal to R by sine of angle AOB. You keep it as equation number 1. Next, what you get in triangle ABC? What triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree means B plus C is equal to 180 minus A, you can write no. Likewise B plus C is equal to 180 minus A plus C is equal to 180 minus B, and A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Next equation 1 what will become? You see what it happens. See equation 1, we substitute means P by sine of 180 minus A, because sine of angle BOC what you will get, 180 minus A is equal to Q by sine 180 minus B, and is equal to R divided by sine of 180 minus C. You know, sine of 90 plus theta is cos theta. Either sine of 180 minus A is sine A. Sine of therefore P by sine A is equal to Q by sine B is equal to R by sine C. You keep it as equation number 2. Replace P is equal to A. Here you write, girls, replace. Here you write P is equal, replace P is equal to A, comma Q is equal to B, comma R is equal to C. Then what you will get? A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. You keep it as equation number 3. Then divide 2 by 3. Second and third. 2 divided by 3. What you will get? P by sine A divided by A by sine A is equal to Q by sine B divided by B by sine B is equal to R by sine C divided by C by sine C. Then if you cancel sine A, sine A, sine B, what you will get? P by A is equal to Q by B is equal to R by C. Okay girls, you would have understand easily. It's all very easy problems only. Next you see the second problem. If A and B are two fixed points on a horizontal line at a distance CA, path two light strings AC and BC of length A and B respectively. Suppose at a mass C, prove that tension strings are in the ratio T1 is to T2 is equal to B into A square plus C square minus B square is to A into B square plus C square minus A square. You have to use note 2 also in this problem. You see the proof. The forces acting at AC. You see the diagram. The forces acting at AC. Weight means W acting at C. Weight W acting at C. Tension T1 along CA. Tension T2 along CB. Okay, ma, you can understand by diagram. You can understand, girls. Next, all the forces are in equilibrium. They've given all the forces are in equilibrium. Therefore, by as usual by Lami's theorem, what you will write, T1 divided by sin 90 plus B, that is equal to T2 divided by sin 90 plus A. See the diagram and use Lami's theorem. T1 opposite mass, so what you will get, T1 divided by sin 90 plus B is equal to T2 divided by sin 90 plus A. So you know sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Like that, T1 divided by cos B is equal to T2 divided by cos A. Next, what you will get, T1 divided by cos B is equal to T2 divided by cos A. T1 by 2 what will become, see, T1 by T2 is equal to cos B by cos A. Tensions one side and sines one side, you keep it, what you will get, T1 by T2 is equal to cos B by cos A. So T1 by T2, T1 by note 2 what you will get, A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC divided by B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. T1 by T2, see, after cancelling everything, what you will get, T1 by T2 is equal to B into A square plus C square minus B square divided by A into B square plus C square minus A square. Therefore, T1 is to T2 is equal to B into A square plus C square minus B square is to A into B square plus C square minus A square. That's the proof. Hence, we have proved this one. You have understand, girls. If you have any doubt, means you ask in group or in the classroom, you comment. I will teach again. You see the next problem. Forces P, Q are acting along GA, GB, GC, where G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. They are in equilibrium. Prove that P by GA is equal to Q by GB is equal to R by GC. You have to prove. See, as usual by Lami's theorem, you know that P by sine of angle GBC is equal to Q divided by sine of angle GCA is equal to R divided by sine GAB. You see the diagram, you can understand, girls. Sine of GBC, Q for Q, sine divided by GCA, and for R, sine of angle GAB. You keep it as equation number 1. Then what must sine of angle GBC means, area of GBC is equal to area of GCA is equal to area of GAB. You know area of triangle half AB into sin theta. Area of triangle half BH normal, like that area of triangle for this by using angles, what you will get, half AB sin theta. So what you will get here, half GBGC. You see here in diagram, for GBC what you will get, GBGC into sine of angle GBC. Likewise, for area of GCA, half GCGA sine of angle GCA, that is equal to half GAGB sine of angle GAB. Next, what you have, next step, what we have to do means multiply 2 and divide by GA, GB, GC on both sides. So what you will get, sine of angle GBC divided by GA is equal to sine of angle GCA divided by GB is equal to sine of angle GAB divided by GC, that is GC ma, it's not AC, GC is equal to L. Just we are keeping as, assuming as L. So what you will get, sine of angle GBC is equal to LGA. Similarly, sine of GCA is equal to LGB and sine of angle GAB is equal to LGC. Substitute these angles in equation 1. Equation 1, what you have ma, P by sine of angle BGC is there, no? In that you substitute, what you will get, P by LGA is equal to Q by LGB is equal to R by LGC. Multiply by L. Now you will get the proof. B by GA is equal to Q by GB is equal to R by GC. Hence the proof. Okay girls, thank you. If you have any doubt means you ask in the comment box. Thank you girls.